Hello, Jennie Rayment. I've got the clamshell for you today. Are you wondering what a clamshell is? It's this thing. It's a shape, and it's called the clamshell. Now, you may well have knocking around in your stash an old-fashioned metal one that came with the finished clamshell shape and an outer clamshell shape for you to add seam allowances. You might even be into die cutting and have something like a clamshell die cut. Here we have a cushion with what I can technically refer to as the clamshell blob. I mean, what else do you call it? I think it's called an OG. And this has a selection of clamshells appliqued to the background. You could take this idea and you could play with your clamshells as we have on the cushion that we have here. I played with the clamshells. It's a good idea to play with the clamshells with bits of paper.